I'm excited about the release of cadCAD 1.0.
The documentation's vastly improved with 1.0 over what we've had in the past. Part of this is because with the engine being a complete rewrite from the ground up, this reference implementation being a rewrite from the ground up, we have a really good opportunity to write the documentation at the exact same time we're laying down code.
It greatly streamlines the definitions and structures that we use in model-based systems engineering, allowing us to design and build better worlds.
As a complex systems modeler, I'm always interested in shortening the path from ideation to implementation. And I think cadCAD 1.0 will help users leverage dynamical systems theory without even realizing it.
cadCAD is an open source project. We don't want to develop it in isolation in a silo by our lonesome. We want to have a vibrant community along for the ride with us. So yeah, that was a really big win for me, was having the opportunity to sort of revisit some of those processes and think of ways that we can improve that to help foster this community behind us.
cadCAD and other open modeling tools like it will really help to re-establish the use of data and evidence-based policy making. We can model the effects of all sorts of policy choices and have a much richer understanding of the potentially nonlinear effects that come out of complex adaptive systems.
Whether you're like an end user of cadCAD that's just looking to model something interesting, or somebody interested in actually extending functionality, or a little bit of something for everyone.
Happy modeling!